What's up, nail friends? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you this really pretty, girly, glittery acrylic set. So I've already filed down her past set and prepped her nails, so let's just jump right into it. The first color we're going to use here is the Glitterbels Sugared Almond Shimmer. So I absolutely love the regular sugar almond, and so now they have a shimmer one as well, and this one's so pretty. So when I do an extended nail bed, I usually actually start at the cuticle area and then pull it down and create my carved out smile line, but for some reason this time I started along the line instead, and I don't know, I don't normally do it this way. So here I applied it further down the nail, and then I'm just working on my smile line, and I'm just using my Glitterbels number 12 brush to carve out my line. So I actually just ordered in some of the number 12 brushes, so that should be in soon for you guys. I absolutely love this brush. I've been using the same brush since September, and it's been amazing. I love it. So here I'm just going back and forth and carving out this line. So today during this set, it was a little bit cold in my nail room. I always find when it's cold in my nail room, my acrylic dries a little bit slower, so I find that so annoying. So I normally like to heat up my nail room nice and warm so that my acrylic dries a little bit quicker, because I absolutely hate when it dries slow. So here I'm just coming in and applying it at the cuticle area and then dragging it into that first bead that I placed down. So everything I do is just a really gentle touch, because you don't really want to accidentally drag off the color at all. So I'm just going back over that line, but I am going to take a hand file and refine the line even more in a little bit. And I actually wish I made this smile line deeper, but I didn't, unfortunately, and I regret it now. But I definitely like a deeper smile line than this. So the next color I'm going to come in with is the Glitterbels Creme Brulee. We have about 5 of these in stock right now. In my last video I posted the blue velvet and it sold out super fast. So if you are interested in this color, make sure you check out the site, because we do have 10% off right now, and that won't last long, so you can use code SAVEGLITTERBELS and you'll receive 10% off your order. So here I'm just applying that at the very tip of this nail and kind of dragging it up, not really trying too hard to blend that at all, because I'm going to be applying glitter over this. So it's not really going to matter. So I've just placed this down, and then I'm using kind of the belly of my brush to drag it down to the tip, and then I'm just trying to make it even. So I did this on both her pointer finger and her pinky. So now I'm coming in with Glitterbels Baby Powder. So this is a really pretty shimmery light pink. So I'm going to be applying this at the cuticle area to start, and then I'm just going to drag this down into that creme brulee. But like I said, it's going to be covered with glitter, so it's not really going to matter. You don't really have to blend it that well. So I just take the very tip of my brush and I push it really close to the cuticle area. You don't want to touch the skin. You don't want to get monomer on the skin at all. So make sure that you're being really careful and applying your acrylic only on the nail, and don't touch the skin. Look at these glitters. They're so pretty, from Magpie USA. So the colors here that I'm going to be using are Gabby, Peaches, and Millie. And I just kind of mixed them together for the line across the nail here. So I picked up a bead of glass slippers, and then I dipped that bead of glass slippers, which is the clear, into the mixture of the glitters, and then I just kind of mix them together and put them on the nail. And then here I'm just using the tip of my brush to maneuver that glitter around to go where I want it to be. I want it kind of sparse at the outside of the glitter and then thicker in the middle, just to give it that nice blended faded glitter look. So like I said, it didn't matter how I applied my base color here, because as you can see, I covered it up anyway. So sometimes when you apply glitter, you don't really need to perfect your fades. On her middle finger, I'm going to be fading those 3 Magpie glitter colors. But first, I like to apply a thinner, finer glitter down first when I apply chunky glitters, just so that you can get a nice cuticle area, because sometimes chunky glitter doesn't really sit nicely at the cuticle. So I like to apply just a similar glitter down first, and then I go over top of it. So here I just used a holographic glitter from Glitter Heaven, Australia. So here I'm using Peaches at the very tip, and I'm just using my brush to sort of pull that up the nail, and we're going to blend that nicely. So then I use the belly of my brush to flatten that at the tip, because I like to make my nails really even so that I have minimal finish filing at the end. The glitter in the center is the one called Millie. It's a really pretty silvery lilac, kind of purpley holographic glitter. So I place that down, and then I'm just using the very tip of my brush in a really gentle swiping motion to blend that into the peaches. Then I'm coming in at the cuticle area with Gabby, so I'm just pushing that into place, and then again swiping that down the nail, trying to blend that in with the other colors. I love this nail. It turned out so pretty. I absolutely love it. I wish I did it more, but I didn't. Okay, so for the smile lines, I'm coming in and I'm just filing that smile line to refine it a little bit. It doesn't really matter because I am going to be applying glitter anyway, and it's not really going to matter, but that's just what I do. So here I'm coming in with that really pretty baby powder pink, and I'm just going to marble the baby powder with creme brulee on this nail. Again, it's going to kind of be covered with glitter, but I don't know, it just felt like doing some marbling, so that's what I did on this nail. So I'm just using the tip of my brush to kind of swirl those colors together, and then I clean up the smile line. I also did this on the thumb, so I'm just showing you guys that again. So I'm coming in on the one side with Millie, and I'm just kind of blending that down a little bit with the tip of my brush. And then on the other side, I'm coming in with peaches. And then I'm just going to kind of blend the colors in the center a little bit. And use the tip of your brush to clean up your smile line. To encapsulate these nails, I'm using the Glitterbels glass slippers. This is a really nice smooth clear, and I find it's really hard to get bubbles, so it's really nice. So just applying it near the cuticle area, and then I'm just going to drag this down the nail and cover up all that glitter. And I repeated that on all the nails, and then we will get into the finish filing. Okay, so let's go through finish filing pretty quickly again here. So I'm just using a safety bit here. It's a fine safety bit, and I'm just going around the nail just to debulk it. I do this on every set, and I just like to debulk quickly before I do any hand filing. And I use it to refine my sidewalls, and I get into the cuticle area as well. After that, I'm coming in with a cuticle tool just to go around my cuticle area, and it makes it nice and even. And then I finish up with a hand file, and I just do my sidewalls, my tip, and I go over the whole nail to smooth it out and even the whole nail. After that, I cleanse the nail, and now let's go in with some crystals. So here I'm using my Ugly Duckling Schtik It. I love this stuff for applying crystals, and I'm just gonna be doing some big crystals on the glitter nails. So here I'm using these cool rings I got from Bemi Beauty Box. I love them, and I've been using them in like every set lately. And the crystals I'm using here are from Crystal Princess, and you can use my code Sarah10 and you'll get 10% off. So I'm just sticking the crystals into that Ugly Duckling Schtik It, and the Schtik It needs to be cured. So you can kind of play around and move your crystals until you're happy with the way it looks, and then you can give it a full cure. And now for the best part, which is top coat. So I'm going to be applying my Glitterbels No Wipe top coat, super shiny and pretty. So here's what it looks like. And when you apply it on the nails with crystals, as I've said in many videos, do not get it on top of your crystals because you'll dull the shine. So just get it on the nails. You can kind of push it close towards the crystals, and it'll kind of slide under them and make your crystals a little bit more secure. But how pretty is this nail? I love it. I wish I did it on her thumbs as well. So give that top coat a full cure. Apply your cuticle oil, and here is the finished design. So I hope you guys like this set. I thought it turned out really cute and girly. So you get all the products mentioned on my site, and anything else I will link in the description box. So thanks for watching, and check back soon for more products, and I'll definitely be filming a lot more. So hope you guys enjoy these tutorials, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!